How to set sleep timer on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. This clock app includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on Timers. The timer function allows users to set countdown timers with custom durations, labels, and end-of-timer sounds. It also offers a stop playing option to halt media playback when the timer ends, effectively functioning as a sleep timer. Over here, set the timer first. For example, 1 hour 10 minutes 15 seconds. And then, tap on when timer ends below. Here, you can view and explore the different sounds available. Scroll down to the end and tap on Stop Playing. Then, tap on Set at the top right corner. Now, tap on Start as shown to start the timer. Following these steps, you can easily set a sleep timer on iPhone.